Alright guys, welcome back all viewers and subscribers. Today I'm gonna ask you guys a favor. I'm just asking for a favor. All I need is I got something for you guys, but all I need is 5 subscriber for the day. Just 5 subscriber for the day. I'm not being greedy, only 5. And if you subscribe right now that watching this video, we only need 4 more subscribers for the day. That's it. For the from today until the end of the month, we're just asking for 5 subscribers per day. And today is let's see. All right, forget about the date. If we get 5 subscribers per day, we will be at our goal. All right, so I'm gonna show you something. I got a secret for you guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you this secret. All I need you to do is subscribe. Continue to watch this video. I'm going to show you what I'm going to give you guys once I receive 5 subscribers per day. So I'm going to show you something. Right now we're looking at Lunacy. Lunacy is similar to SHIB stats that I show you guys earlier on in another video. We have one bottom right here. We have another bottom right here. And we're about to have another bottom right here. This meaning that the coin is about to rocket, guys. Anytime you see 3 bottom like that, the coin is going to go up. It may come back down a little bit and go up again, may drop and then go up again. That's what's going to happen. Trust me. I've been watching this, but that's not the secret. That's not what I'm going to show you guys. I got more stuff to show you. Let me show you some more stuff that I really want you to see. I want you to subscribe so you can stay up to date. So when I'm giving out these nice little tricks and tips, you will be first to know about it. If you search YouTube, go to YouTube and search in NEPT, NEPT. I'm ranked number 1 or number 2 in YouTube, meaning that we bring these coins before anybody else. If you search Tonic, you're going to see the same thing. We bring out these coins before anyone else do. So if you want to find something quick, invest in it, make some money, jump back off, you have to subscribe to my channel and stay up to date, because I make videos. I may skip a day, but I make up for that day. You know, it depends on how busy I am, because you know we have to also go to a regular job, but I try to keep you guys up to date. So let me show you something real quick here that I really want to show you guys. Once you come to Bitmart, Bitmart app is a great app to have. You can use it as a tool and you can use it to invest. You know, I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just showing you some stuff here. So if you come to Bitmart and you go to market, sorry about that. If you come to Bitmart and you go to Home, right beside market, and you click on Home and then scroll down to the top, you're going to see 3 icons right here that says at, HOT, at, and then gainers and new. What I want to show you guys is right here. It's very important. I'm going to show you this real quick. These are the gainers. So these are the top gainers for the day. These is the coins that are going crazy. So you can come here and pick a coin and you can do day trade. You see, you can make $100, $200 per day, or even $400 or $500 per day. It depends on how much you're going to invest. I'm going to show you something. This coin is a very nice coin. I like it. You can look into it. NEPT, you know, I already tell you about that. You can look into this. ZINU, been out there for a while. But now I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to give you guys if you guys subscribe. Once you subscribe and put a comment and let me know that you subscribe and you comment and I see the difference on my channel, I'm going to show you a secret. You see right here where it says new, I'm going to show you how to get the new coin, that as soon as the coin come out, if you already invested in it, you can go ahead and make money before anyone else, because once a coin come on the market, it always skyrocket. As soon as it drop, it go all the way up. So if you can buy it early, and as it drop that day, skyrocket, boom, you sell, or you sell a portion and you wait and you average back in, you make money. Let me show you how to. Let me show you something. Say for instance this coin, APT. I'm gonna show you the difference. I guarantee you, you're gonna make a big spike once it comes out. You see right here, way up. The first day it came out, and then it started to go back down. It started to go back down. Now you're gonna, if you watch it, by the next week or so, it may end up way down here. That's how I noticed these coins work. So if I go back again, let's pick another one. Say let's pick HOO. All right, let's take a look at it. Let's see when it came out. The first day, you see, it went all the way up to 1 cent on the first day when it came out, right there. And what is it now? It's way down. It's going down. It was 116. I know it's 1000. So it go always come out, go high, and then go back down. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you the trick how to get it early, so you can jump in and jump out before anyone else. Let's take a look at another one. This one. We're just going down picking random coins. I don't know nothing about these coins. Look, you see, first day. This is the first day come on the platform. 25 cents. How much is it now? 18 cents. So the first day it came out, it was 25 cents right there. Right here, 25 cents. And now it's down to 18 cents at the top right here. So if you can get these coins before anyone else, make money and get out and go back in if you feel like, that's up to you. Let's pick another one just for the fun of it. All right, these are new coins, guys. Remember, I'm under the new category right here. Now, if we go for, let's pick a random coin, this one, which is BXN. All right, I like that coin. For some reason, I haven't done much research on it. Let's take a look at that the first day when it came out. All right, all you have to do, click on the coin and scroll back way. And when you scroll back way, you can't go any more back. That's it. That's it. You can't go back no more. And then you look at it right here. Boom. Came out. 50. Let's see. Let me try to get it. So IS was 50 and a 5, and as you can see for yourself, it's trending down. It keep going down. So the first day the coin comes out, they always go down. And you can do this with any platform. You can go to Coinbase and you can pull up a coin and look at it, and you're gonna see what happened on the first day when it came out. It goes skyrocket and then it go back down again. So if you can get the coin early before it does that, you will see this one went down and then it started to go back up. Now that's the reason why it's still at 50 and a 3, but it didn't just came out right there. Remember, great coin. I like it, and I think I'm gonna get some of it. I'm gonna do some more research on it first, but this one, take a look at this one. Sorry about that. I just want to give you information here so bad. This one called Pools. This is at 58 cents right now. Let's see what it was when it first came out. First came out 67 cents. So if you can catch that hype, you in a good standing until it starts trickle down. You just have to bear in mind that it's gonna go down. It may go down and come back up, but it's always gonna go down. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna do one more. Let's just do this one here. See right here, just to prove my point to you guys. All right, this is at 20 and a 5. Let's go back on it and see what it was when it first came out. It came out at 97 cents. 97 cents right there. A big jump. If you look right here, you can see how high did it jump. So high and go all the way back. I'm not doing any more, guys. This is it. Subscribe, like, comment, and you're going to get some great information. I'm going to show you how to get on the coin before anyone else. so you can get the jump. You can get the first jump. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.